Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find here somewhere screen record icon. Just hold it for a while and after that you'll see here record audio switcher. So now it's turned off and this means that you'll record the mute video. Here if you wanna use for example the device audio, select the device audio. Now the switcher is activated, so you'll use all of the medias like music, calls, ringtones. You could also the microphone, so select it and by this way you will just command, for example, your recording. Also you could use device audio and microphone together. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.